Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the tracker mod and confirming permissions. This gives you real-time location data. Once done, join or host a lobby with matching mods so everyone syncs. Make sure to back up files first to avoid conflicts. Next, open tracker options and set range, update frequency, and who can see data. You want enough range to be useful but not so large that it spoils gameplay. These first steps put the tool live and ready for in-round use. Once the round starts, use the minimap and movement trails to spot irregularities. This helps you infer imposter paths. Make sure to toggle pings and timers sparingly so you don't flood chat or attract suspicion. Also, cross-reference tracker readings with observed visual tasks, vent usage, and who reports bodies. This corroboration reduces false positives. If you see conflicting signals, pause and watch. Trackers give hints, not absolute proof. Keep updating range and refresh. To finish, save essential logs or screenshots so you can review plays and improve. If the tracker lags or drops updates, reduce the update rate or lower the detection range to cut network and CPU load. Make sure everyone in the lobby uses the same mod version. Version mismatches cause desyncs and wrong readings. If conflicts persist, reinstall the clean mod, clear cache, and resync the lobby. One key troubleshooting tip: check game and mod versions first. They solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.